Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday, May 27. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Let's start reviewing the coins. We'll start as usual with Bitcoin. Morning Darren, morning Andrei, morning Sebastian, Shogun, Noure, Bucur. Okay guys, so we are still fighting all-time high. Yeah? From January, we are still fighting that level. It's Tuesday already. The market didn't dump in the long weekend, didn't pump, didn't do anything special. We are fighting this 110k level. I like the view from 100 to 110. 10k increments, well, I like that. Now let's go to 120. I'm joking. I don't know what will happen here. It's a important, really important level. Indicators, well, OBV, really strong. RSI, kind of in the middle of the road there, nothing special. And MACD, bearish divergence here. You can see this is a clear, ugly bearish divergence. So, let's wait and see what will happen. We can form a big M here or maybe a head and shoulder pattern, yes. But on daily we need to wait for a resolution at 110. I hope we have sound. I hope you see my screen. And I'm not talking by myself here. So that's Bitcoin. Let's not stay too much. We know that it's fighting 110. Let's go on Ethereum a little bit. I have this AB equals CD we talked about in the weekend. And yesterday, I still think we'll push higher. Yeah. On lower time frame, I didn't even manage to take a nice trade. An AB equals CD, but on smaller time frame, this smaller one. I'm already in that trade. But I could see AB equals CD to the upside. I could see 3,100, 3,300 here. It's a difficult trade to take because we are in the middle of the road between short and long reload zone. But well, if you want to assume the risk, you calculate the risk, you know how to trade, why not? Okay, so that's Ethereum on daily. Indicators, similar, nothing special. Nothing special here. Bitcoin dominance, hopefully will do an M, hopefully. It's fighting in that short reload zone, but I don't have a clear M. We had a small one on 4-hour chart, that is already gone, invalidated here, and now we are fighting in the short reload zone. 4-hour chart, well, at least we are trying to do something here. You can see the market is putting some resistance here, and if we'll form an ICM like you see my squiggly lines here, that will be nice. If we'll go straight down, that will be nice also. Why? I have a lot of altcoins in my bags, tons of altcoins, and I think 99.9% of us we have the same approach. We have a lot of altcoins. We can call ourselves shitcoiners, no? I guess so. Morning, Stefan. By the way, people, Stefan will live stream in 1 hour from now, I think. After I'll finish this live stream. 20 minutes after Stefan will start the day trading with Stefan. So I'll keep myself out from day trading scalping today. I'll let Stefan do that. I'll take care of I don't know, higher time frame. Maybe I'll talk about 1 or 2 ideas, but please join day trading with Stefan. He will talk about lower time frame. So maybe we'll get an M. I love to see that we are rejecting. If we'll go straight down, I don't worry about, because my bags are, I'll be happy. Back on daily, let's take a look at CME. You can see similar stuff. Similar. Let's put the long reloads on here, exactly where we should be. At any point in time, Market is strong, but at any point in time, people, we should expect a drop in the pump chaser zone, 38.2 to 50%. At any point in time. So don't be surprised if you'll see a dump here. I'm not saying that will happen. I'm saying that it's to expect something like that every day. Look, where is the pump chaser zone here? Well, let's pay attention. If we'll dump, I know that that's the area where I want to reload, where I want to look for W's, because the market is strong. I'm not looking directly on the long reload zone. I want to see the pump chaser zone first. Well, why to short now? We shorted yesterday, Duke. No, we shorted yesterday, we made money. Today we are waiting for a new setup. So that's Bitcoin on CME. Let's take a look at ES. Fighting 78.6, which if you look left, it's a support and resistance level. It's trying to accept at 6,000 and higher, but well, you can see it's fighting this level. Strong OBV, bearish divergence confirmed already on MACD. Mixed feelings here, but I don't think it's a good idea to trade ES here. If you are a scalper, okay. If you are a swing trader, it's difficult. You should look for short ideas, but I don't know if it's any short idea. You can think to take this high, this low, put a short reload zone here, and then look for a short idea here. On 4-hour chart, maybe lower. Let's think about it. I'm not trading ES, people. I'm just telling you my 2 cents about ES, and that's it. And there you go. So if we'll push higher here, 5,900 and something, look left, we have some confluences. If you'll see an EM, then you can try to find a short idea. Just my 2 cents. Now, back on daily, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Similar like yesterday, AB equals CD is in play. In the same time, we can go in the long reload zone, kind of 50-50 chances here. Gold, well, nice and clean price action, really nice. Look at it, really well respecting the short reload zones. Now you don't see it here, but at some point in time, look at it. We respected on the dot the 78.6. Now if we adopt the short reload zone, respecting 61.8, respected the trend line, up and down, we still have this EM, and I still think this is a potential top. Big daily EM, and you can see it's respected. We didn't manage to make a new high here. So this was the top on gold. I don't know, honestly, I don't know, but I could call a top until the market will accept above 3,500. I could say, well, that's a top, because it is. We'll see. Too many people bullish on gold at these levels. Too many people buying gold. Too many people talking about gold. Too many people saying, well, gold is the next Bitcoin, or the gold is the best. Well, yeah, at 3,500 you think about gold. Okay. It's up to everyone. Total market cap in the short reload zone, still fighting the same levels. I think we'll accept soon enough above the all-time high. Soon enough. Total 3 the same. Lagging a little bit, but I could see a violent move to the upside here pretty soon. 1 trillion will be the resistance for total 3. 10% higher. So, well, now if I talked about the overview, let's change the template here. I'll go on spot, and let's take a look at higher time frame. Let's see what we have on the trades we already have in the market. Yeah, all these trades, we spoke about them in this live stream, day in and day out, day in and day out. So let's review them a little bit. I have 2 new setups, if will be the case, just so altcoins to watch. So let's start with Aevo on daily. We are back at the entry. Take it or leave it, it's up to you, but you can see we are at the entry with the setup. I don't think it's a good idea to add to this trade, just leave it alone. If you don't have it, you can wait for a double in this area and play in a AB equals CD if you don't have this trade. If you have it, just leave it alone. Alt, we are a bit in profit, but similar idea. We have a big M here, big support below, just leave it alone. If you don't have the trade, you can think a big AB equals CD, but it's ugly. So, Arbitrum, we are long. I could see an AB equals CD, yes, here, but it's kind of ugly to take a new trade here. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere. We had another retest of the big W here, front run a little bit. So no new setup, we are in profit, that's nice. This one, we are in profit, nothing we can do here. Comp, below the entry. Yeah, below the entry, still consolidating. If you want to take it, it's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll repeat that. So, it's up to you if you want to take it. I have the trade. I'm more than happy to hold it. Cyber, well, this one is still consolidating here. Good for dollar cost average, good for, but I don't, yeah, if we'll accept above power of 3 here, you can see above this level, that will be even better. So, that will confirm a nice W here. You can see it, if we'll accept above, we'll confirm a W, and you can play after that. Or you can dollar cost average here. DYDX, below entry, we have an M. I have the trade. I don't want to do anything. Why? I have 1, 2, 3 lows to protect my stop loss. If the market will dump, probably this one will stop me out. Well, next boss in that case. ENA, slightly in profit. Nothing I can do here. GRT, well, I talked about this one. I posted on all the channels I could post it. Inverse head and shoulder. EM here, retesting of the neckline. You had the chance to enter at the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. It's up to you. It's still buyable. It's still close to the entry. Which trade you take? You take this one with a stop loss here in the shoulder, or you take the trade with a stop loss all the way down at the head. That's, again, it's up to you. Okay? ID at the entry. It's at the entry. It's up to you if you take it or leave it. All the altcoins are looking similar, or most of them. Ondo, AB equals CD on daily. This W. Take it, leave it, wait for another W here. It's totally up to you. Okay? On peer, we are long from $1. We are in profit. We are risk-free. Nothing I can do more than that. I don't see a new setup here. It's possible to form a W, but because I have the big one, I don't want to do anything. This one, it's below entry. You can wait for a new W if you want to enter. I'm in and I'm more than happy to hold it. Similar, 1, 2 lows to protect my stop loss. REN, at the entry. Nice W's here, breakout. Will take some time until we'll pump. Probably. Target all the way up in the short reload zone. So, kind of a position trade here. SSV. Well, we talked about SSV a lot of times. About noodle strudels when he was shilling the top. We managed to buy the bottom. I consider this one the bottom here on SSV. Maybe we'll form a new one. Who the fuck knows? But we had the daily W breakout, retest. We took this one. We are nice in profit. The target is higher and we should trail a lot higher than this one. Yeah? I'm not saying we'll stop here and that's it. No. It's a reasonable take profit here, but we should close everything. No. Trail the rest all the way up. And now we have this one. Why I choose this one? Can someone tell me why I choose this one? Look at it. Swap the lows. Stefan, your favorite. Yeah, we swap the lows here when we are making a W there. This is a bullish divergence here. You can see on OBV. W here. If you want it, if you like it, take it. If not, no, don't. Well, look at it. Just look at it on higher time frame. We had here in 2023, we had a fake out lower, but looks nice. Let's put weekly chart. Come on, look at the OBV. Look at. I don't have a problem to buy this one. On spot, of course, you don't go and buy it on leverage here. You can do it if you want, but I'm talking about spot. Okay. Morning, Robert. So, people, you can wait for the double, but actually the double is forming now. You can see it. Let's put the line chart. There you go. It's trying to form there. Bullish divergence here. Just my 2 cents. Up to you. But something to watch if you don't want to buy it now. Watch for a W. And high is looking nice for an AB equals CD play here on daily. You can see it. AB, CD, maybe you'll form a W. Watch for a W here and take the trade. Risk to reward is really nice if you'll form a W. But in the same time, don't take the fucking trade if you don't see a daily W. Don't front run the setup. So wait for a W here. You want to play it on 4-hour chart? I don't know if even on 4-hour chart we have a clear W. No, we don't. So wait for a clear W here. Breakout and retest maybe. Take the trade and live with the results. Simple as that. Something to pay attention. Okay. That's the list. That's what I saw here. Now, let's take a look at the lower time frame and let's see what we have there. I don't want to talk too much about that because I said I'll let Stefan. I want to be a short live stream this time, but let's take a look. Well, couple one people will say, well, fuck it, was there and I didn't saw it. Well, indeed, the trade was there, people. I didn't want to trade Bitcoin long, so I traded Ethereum. But let's start with Bitcoin. Yesterday, we had this mountain man short. Some people said, well, let's wait for the shark. Okay, that's better level, but I had too many confluence on the mountain man not to take it. So I took the short. I said, well, look where the long reload zone is. I think it's a good target. And the trade is done. We made money. Stefan for VIP posted even a sharper one on lower time frame, and he took a better level with a better risk to reward. But that's VIP, that's day trading, that's scalping. So if you want to get or you are sharp enough to take I don't know, scalps, and you want to join VIP, in 3 days we'll open the registration. Yeah, the trade is done. Yeah, I prefer because I'm talking with premium, I'm talking with general members. I prefer to put a slower version, 1 hour. Yeah. Don't think about I trade only this one, because I'm trading more than I'm showing off here. But on 1 hour time frame, easy to trade. This was the trade. Yeah, mountain man here, 2 to 1. 2 to 1, it's a good result, people. Yeah, 2 to 1, it's a good result. If you have a 50% win rate with a 2 to 1 risk to reward, it's gold. You are a money machine. If what did you say, Stefan? I didn't get the message. I saw you They deleted it. Anyway, so I wanted to take this one here in this area, in the long reload zone. Well, in the morning when I wake up, the market was above, and next bus. But last night I managed to do something nice here. Can you see it? W, breakout, retest, AB equals CD setup at limit, but it's there, it's valid, it's above 66. And I said, well, if the market wants to come back and retest this fucking W, I'll enter. Now I'm risk free, people, because I reached 1-to-1. You can call it inverse head and shoulder, you can call it whatever you want, but you can see here, really nice trade. AB equals CD, target all the way up here. It's reasonable to think about that target, yes. Is dangerous? Yes, it's dangerous. That's why I closed 50% at 1-to-1. Why? It's Tuesday. It was a long weekend. I don't trust the price action today. At any point in time, we can take the lows here. Even lows here, and then to pump again. So, after managing to get risk-free, I don't fucking care. So that's Ethereum. Bitcoin, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. I prefer to leave it alone until New York. Maybe play some SFUs today. Yeah, keep in mind, Monday low, Monday high, weekend lows, long weekend. Some SFUs are preparing for today, in my humble opinion. It's up to you how you trade and what you do with your own money. Okay, so that's my opinion about Bitcoin. Ethereum, I'm long. I don't know if you can frame another trade here. I think you can. On 1 hour chart, you can say, well, this is a bot setup. Who knows the bot setup? You have 1, 2, 3 lows. So, or 1, 2, maybe you'll form the third low. TRIers know what I'm talking about. Entry at 25%, 3-to-1 risk to reward. So, yeah, it's doable. You can play a bot setup there. I front run that bot setup with AB equals CD. Okay, Solana. Similar. Yeah, we had AB equals CD. Outperformed. Made some money. We had this dip here. Pump. Retracement back. Retest that W. It's safe? No, it's not. Yeah. Is not safe because after the long weekend, like I said, SFUs everywhere. Yeah? So watch out for SFUs. Tao, we made money on the long side. We missed this short. I missed the short because Stefan and VIP posted and they took the short, motherfuckers. But I saw the setup. I didn't took it because I don't want to short altcoins. I took this one. I made money again. And now I'm waiting to see what will happen. Tia, someone asked about Tia earlier in the chat. We had the long reloads on here. 2.5, if you remember, I said, well, if we'll get a 2.5, we front run that level. Similar, we retested the weekend W. It's in the middle of nowhere, it's going sideways in a big long reload zone. Maybe wait for a W on Tia. We have too many coins. Too much Tia is not healthy because they have small unlocks. I think Bukur knows the best. Yeah. Okay, people. Yes, on lower time frame, nothing I can do here. Bitcoin, no. Someone asked about this one. Well, we are in the trade. Someone asked about Pi. That's why I didn't answer then, because I knew that I have it on lower time frame. So 1 hour, 4 hour chart, it's there. We are in profit. Some people said at some point, well, you are not scared about the airdrop or the unlock. No. The unlock was here or here. This was the unlock. Sell the rumor, buy the news. So now we are consolidating. Could stop me out? Yes. But I'm risk free already. I don't fucking care. Yeah. I know the unlock is done. But the idea is unlock, rumor, sell the rumor, Buy the news and consolidating now. I made it risk free here. We are risk free. We don't care too much about it. Let it run. Let's see what will do. I'm curious, honestly, to see what will do. If we'll confirm this W could push higher and so on. Okay? Okay. So that's my my review for today. Let's see if we have FTM. Let's take a look at 4 hour chart is good enough. Where to look for FTM? Yeah, let's see. I think the price is acceptable. Well, lower time frame, I don't see anything special, to be honest. Bigger time frame, nice location, but that's about it. I don't know, let's see, maybe. Okay, if you trust this project and you want a bag, be my guest. I'll take some, lower, not here, sorry. Why lower? I don't see the W's, I don't see anything. Weekly chart. Consolidating. Nothing special. If you want to dollar cost average, okay. I don't see a setup there. Catalin is saying link on 1 hour is looking nice. Let's see what Catalin sees. 1 hour. Looking nice from what perspective, Catalin here? So on 1 hour, I see a long consolidation here. We had kind of a W breakout and retest, and now we are at the resistance. Maybe if we form a W, yeah. But here, you don't want to trade here, Catalin. Breakout or fake out, you know the drill. So taking a long here is dangerous. If we'll do a breakout and we'll retest, then it's a different story. But at least you'll know you have a 4 hour W here, the big W. A breakout and retest. But here, ugly. Well, if you enter from the low, yeah. You have bullish divergence on RSI, but ugly OBV. If you took it, make it risk free and just ignore it. See what. Let it run. See where it goes. I'll take Ripple and then I'll call it a live stream. If you want to ask, put more requests, please go and put on Stefan back. He's the day trader today. He's the guy you should ask about trades. Ugly. Ugly, 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 ugly Ripple. I'll say it again. Ugly. W. You don't fucking know what will happen. In the middle of the road, you have a W, you have a breakout, you have a retest, then you have an M, and it's at support and resistance here kind of idea. Nothing special on the OBV, nothing special on the RSI. That's daily. Let's go and let's think about 4 hour chart. Yeah, if we'll bounce from here, kind of have a support, but you can see equal lows there. Nah. If you want to think about long, look at this level. I don't know who asked about Ripple. Retest of that, if you can take this here. It's not the best setup, but if you want to play something on Ripple, this will be a play. Possible play. Okay? But here, nah, it's ugly. It's a support. It's tested too many times now. If I'll put 1 hour, Nothing special. It's not the case. Okay, let's go on higher time frame. So pay attention on W here if will happen today. On high fi here. Really nice level. I think well, even if we'll consolidate, if you buy a spot bag here, you'll not be sorry. You can buy 11 and you can sell 22. Sell half on a double. You get risk free and you don't fucking care after that. The market will not stay at this level forever. Ethereum, I just said that Ethereum is strong. I have an AB equals CD. I have an AB equals CD on Ripple. On Ethereum, I talked about that's 1 hour. If you put higher time frame, is looking kind of similar. Yeah. On 4-hour chart, you'll see this W here. So you have this trade on 4-hour chart also. You have the AB equals CD on 4-hour chart also. The problem is you don't have the W. You have to take this one above 25. You don't have a 3 to 1. I'm already in. You can take the next W. You can take 25% if you are thinking bot setup. 1, 2 lows. Maybe you'll form the third. Who knows? People, that being said, let's call it a live stream. Join Stefan. I love to see people asking questions in Stefan live stream. Put Stefan to work. He's lazy, so put him to work. Ask him tons of questions. I'll be in the chat. I'm joking, Stefan. Don't be upset. I'll be in the chat. If it's something, you can even tag me or you can ask me something in the chat. Yeah. Every Tuesday, it's free for everyone. Stefan, day trading with Stefan is actually the London session for VIP people. So if you want to make an idea what we are doing in VIP, watch the Stefan live stream. Registration for VIP will be open in the beginning of the month. For the moment is open for the people that they are already in VIP. I don't know how many places we'll have for the public in the beginning of the month because honestly we can have that problem that we'll have more people than places, but we'll see. If you want to join and learn to trade like us, well, in the description of the live stream you have the site and you can see what we are offering on premium, on VIP, Capua 1, Capua 2. We opened a new session of Capua 1. Now we'll open in the middle of the year. The last one for this year for serious people, consistent people only, not moon boys. Yeah, don't consider if you have the money to pay for the program because it's damn cheap. You'll become a trader. If you don't decide to put the time and effort, you'll not become anything. So if you want to learn how I'm trading, how Stefan is trading, that's the way. Capua 1, and then if you think you need more, you can go in Capua 2. Stefan said that someone asked him if I'll do another round like I did with him. One-to-one teaching. No, never. Sorry, people. It's similar in Capua 1 because you'll be around me 1 full year. It's more than enough time to learn how to trade. But one-to-one, no. It's too much time and I don't have that time and patience anymore. But I have some people from the last Capua 1 from this program doing really, really nice. I honestly enjoy seeing, for example, Bukur playing around. I see Catalin playing around. I see Andrei playing around. Really nice. Yeah. Matt is doing a nice job. I'm not talking about Olaf. Olaf has some experience. He's already good. Was already good before he joined. Now he's just becoming a bit sharper, but so really nice results. It's up to you, people. Enter the site, see what we are offering. If it is something for you, DM me or Stefan. Okay, people. That being said, let's call it a live stream. Remember that Monday low, Monday high, SFUs because we had a long weekend. How many of you have put in their journal after a long weekend, expect SFUs all over the place? How many? Please tell me. Nobody? Anyway, let's call it a live stream. See you guys in the next one with Stefan. Bye bye.